Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to check if your computer is compatible with the upcoming Windows 11, and here is what you need to do. It's really simple. Open up a browser, go to the following link. I'm gonna put that in the description. It will download an application. I have already downloaded that one, so it's in the downloaded folder. You need to install it. Once the installation is completed, simply open the app and click the check now button. After a while, you will see a message from it. This PC cannot run Windows 11. So this is my old PC. It's not compatible with the Windows 11. As you can see here, it's 9 years old. You might not get this message, and your PC may compatible with Windows 11. So that's it. That's the easy way to check your PC if it's compatible with Windows 11 or not. That's it guys. Please leave a comment below if you have any question.